Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn the Java interview questions related to encapsulation. So as we know, in the object-oriented programming, encapsulation is one of the pillar. Other properties of object-oriented programming are inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. So we have covered the inheritance in the previous videos. So let's start with the encapsulation. So what is the meaning of encapsulation? So encapsulation is used to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from the user. So it is used to protect your code. So that can be done with the help of declaring class variables or attribute as private and providing a getter and setter methods to access and update the value of private variable. So encapsulation is used to protect the code from others. So it provides the security to your code and code maintainability. Suppose when you are declaring a variable as of integer type, you don't want it to be negative. So you can declare inside a class. So this int a equal to 5 is your class variable or instance variable, which is assigned to a value of positive 5, right? And if someone changes the exact variable if someone changes this value from positive to negative, then it is bad. As per your logic, you don't want it to be negative, right? So to achieve this, so someone cannot change the value. So to provide the security to your code, in that case, you need to make the variable as private or protected. So if someone asks you how to practically implement the encapsulation, so your first answer should be you need to declare the class variables or attribute as private or protected. And then to access these private variables, you need to make use of get and set methods. So we will see in the practical implementation how to achieve the encapsulation. So let's go towards our Eclipse editor. So here I have public class demo. Inside this class, we will declare one private variable. Let's say we declare a variable private int a equals to 5. So this is our variable of data type integer and the value assigned is 5. So we need to make sure to update the variable data or to access this variable data, you need to make use of getter and setter methods. So how to write the getter and setter methods for the private method? So simply you need to right click here. Once you right click, here you have the option of source. So you need to click on source. Then here you need to select generate getters and setters. So once you click on getters and setters, so here you will be able to see the private variables which are available in your code. So currently there is only one variable in my code, right? A. So I will select A and then I need to say here OK. I need to click on OK. So see, here I am able to generate the getters and setter methods. So what is happening here? Here it says get A and here it says set A. So this is a getter method. So getter method just return the value of that private variable. So in my case, a variable name is A. So it is returning the value of A, right? And what does setter methods do? The setter method is used to set the value of A. So currently my value of A is 5. So if someone wants to set a method, if someone wants to set the value of variable A, then it can be done by the setter variables. So in setter variable, there is a statement called this.a equals to A. So this is used to refer to your current instance variable. So this A, this.a means this particular A, and the value of A assigned here is whatever value is passed to this argument A, that will be assigned. So let's see in the another class how to make use of this. So this is my class demo, okay? I have another class called test here, and inside that class I have a main method. So let's make the object of demo class. So demo, then object equal to new demo. Now we have created the object of demo class. Now with the help of object of this demo class, you can call the getter and setter methods of demo class. So we will call the get method. So you need to say obj.get. So this will return the value of private variable, right? Which is our A. Now if I try to run this code, which is test.java, let's run this code. So currently the code is compiled, but we are not getting any output because we haven't used any print statement. Now what is happening here? We are calling this get A and here the value of a is 5, so it will return as 5. So what we will do, we will pass this statement inside the sysout. Now let's provide here sysout. And if I try to run this code now, so see, we are getting here value as 5. So with the help of get a, we are able to get the value of private variable. Now we will try to set. Now instead of get a, I will say here obj dot set, and this time we need to pass one argument because set variable is requiring one variable to be passed here, right? So here I will pass integer value. Let's say if I pass here 10. So what will happen now? This particular 10 value will be passed in the setter method, and this setter method will set the value of a to 10. And when we try to get the value of a here, so we will get the updated value which is 10. So if I run this code, so see, I'm getting here 10. So if you remember the theory, so here we have said that if someone changes the exact variable, then it is bad, right? If you want to change the value, so what will happen if I pass here the negative value now? So it will take the negative value, right? Let me show you. If I run this code, so see, we are getting here the negative value. So to avoid this negative value to be assigned to this variable inside the setter method, you need to provide a logic. Let's say you can say here if this particular variable a, which is passed, if a is greater than 0, then only you need to set the value, otherwise ignore it. So here I will say if a is greater than 0, then only this particular instance variable a will be assigned the value of the parameter a. Now let's save this code. Let's save it and run now. So see, now we are trying to set the value of a to minus 10. But as we have provided a logic inside the setter method, if a is greater than 0, then only we need to assign it. So it has not assigned minus 10. So that's why we are getting the default value of a, which is 5. So that's why we are getting here get a value as 5. So in this way you can take the control over data with the help of encapsulation. So that was the basic concept about the encapsulation. In the next video we will see more in detail about the read only class and write only class that can be achieved with the help of encapsulation. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching.